Yo, what's going on, everybody? That new Chase is back with another video. Already know how it is. How we doing? Today is a gold trade recap on the trade that I took about 2 days ago, but it closed actually yesterday, and today is Friday, and so I'm not making the video. But unfortunately, it was a losing trade. We did lose, I think, a total of like 1,000 or some change, 1,022. I'll show you guys right here. We had two positions, as you can see on TradingView. We had two positions, and we ended up losing both of those positions. It took about 2 days for the trade to actually execute itself. So we're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over the losses. Oh yeah, total was, no, that's a lie. That's not it. No. Exit that. But yeah, and actually you can see in the top P&L right here, we're actually in trades. These are the last trades that I'm taking for the year of 2023. But I will get into those in a different video. But this video is going to talk about these two losses that we took and how we took the loss and why we took the loss. These two, I bet. Alright, so basically the way this trade went was it's actually crazy because I wrote this in my trading, my analysis, where I was like, I literally woke up and the charts were open, and I looked for 2 seconds, analyzed that there was a trend line right here. Let me see if I can draw it out real quick. No, there was a trend line right here where I have it drawn. It broke. It was like here. It was around this area. I was like, I got it right here. I got it right in this area because I'm like, okay, looking left. If I had caught it at this move right here, I would have definitely entered. I would have entered probably here anyways. So it lines up the same. Like I would have entered in this area right here. So it lined up the same the way I would have entered it in the first place if I didn't miss the move, right? So I was literally off the wig, and I looked and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get it, and boom, right? Because it just made sense. Like if it wasn't like in a random point like down here, like if it was like down here or like down here, then yeah, like that would be one of the stupidest entries, and that's not following my rules. But it's in the criteria where when the candle closes below, I wait for a second candle to come down. Once that second candle comes down and it doesn't come back up into this area, once it doesn't do that and it stays where it's at, then I'm like, okay, cool, this is my entry right here, and I take it down to the next low or whatever the case may be. So I got in. It was still following my plan and everything, and then I had put a limit order actually over here, as you see, so where it would tap that trend line up here. Because the ideal plan with this strategy, with the breakout strategy, is that it comes down, then it comes back up into the trend line, then it comes back down. So I put a pending order here for it to actually tap and back into the zone to see if it would back into the entry to see if it would come back. And it took a minute. It took a day actually. It came down, consolidation for a while. Then it finally came up, hit me in, and then I was just in drawdown for like another minute for a while, and then that same night it took me out. So yeah, I waited a couple days. This was from Wednesday, and then it took me out Thursday. So like a day, not too bad. Like a day, not that inconvenient. You know what I mean? So yeah, so that's how this trade went out. Honestly, as looking at it from a bigger picture, it was definitely just on a lot of calls. It was just in this box, in this range. Then it broke out of the box, and then it made another range, and then it broke out again. That's how like markets just move the same all the time. And people trade within this range here. Support here, support here. People trade the buys, the sells, the buys, the sells, the buys. Got smaller and smaller as it went, and then it finally broke out. So yeah, but I followed my plan, followed my rules, got pended, got hit, and I stayed in the trade for a while, and resulted in me like 2 losses. So that's cool. That's coolios. Would I do anything different in this trade? Absolutely not. I followed my plan. I followed my rules. I wouldn't change anything about it. And yeah, even looking on the hourly, it's like a lot cleaner. Yeah, like it literally came down a little bit, came up, came down, and I was targeting for these lows here, right in this area. I was targeting for here as its next hourly lows over here. So yeah, just didn't reach, and that's fine. It is what it is. A beautiful break, literally so beautiful. This is the break that I missed, but then I got the entry here as as it was pulling back up, and then it came down and it just didn't fulfill, and it just made higher lows, and then boom boom up and a loss. So yeah, I think this is the trading recap for this trade, for those two losses that I had. For these two losses, in total it was like 1,022, and I even journaled it within my trading journal. So I'll show you guys real quick. Let me pull it up here. Yeah, I put it in there, as you can see, right down here. Oop, my bad. This first one right here, stop by SO. Yep, this was the first one where literally was entry here, came down, entry point, then it stuck me out. And I literally put it in my analysis, like, with this trade, if I'm gonna be honest with myself in this analysis, I woke up to saw this move. I woke up to saw the move, like, happen, and then I got in. Yes, I waited a couple minutes for price to come back within the trend line, where I would have entered if I was up earlier to get the original breakout. And then looking how structure was formed from earlier in the day, price was starting to make low lows and lower highs on the 15-minute, and with momentum it made an extra influence for me to get into the trade. So it wasn't just me waking up and being like, oh, okay, cool, like, let me just hop in because I missed the move. No, it literally came with, like, it was quick thinking, where, okay, cool, let me see where price is. Price was at a point where it was trying to come back up. That's why I entered, because that would have been my original entry anyways. And then I put a pending order for the original entry. For our entry I would have had, either way, and it would have been pending either way, to get back into that trend line. But that's usually like my second entry. But my first entry is usually like midway into this breakout right here. Like once it's like over here, like boom, I enter. And it's like there's like a way, like, I like to get in. It's not just a straight out breakout, because I've had experience where it'll break out and then it'll like fake me out and then like go up and all that stuff. That's why I wait for two candles to go down within breaking the trend line, and then I enter the trade. So yeah, like, it's documented. I literally said what I had told you guys earlier with my analysis. And here's the other one. This is the first one, and then the second one's over here. Same thing, like 7 something. Now it's US30. Oh my god, bro. Where is it? It's somewhere. Oh, they're down here. My bad. Yeah. Wait, no, actually, this is the other one. This is the one that was pending. This is the pending trade. Same outcome. It finally tapped within the area after like a day. I'll show you guys that photo real quick. Literally. So this is how price was moving. Literally came down, came up, came down, came up, consolidated into a range, came down, finally broke out to get me in, and I was just in, I was in drawdown for the rest of that time. So here it is. That's everything. This is gonna end this video. Like I said in the beginning, I am in like 2 other trades, and three setups, two trades, and those are gonna be my last trades for 2023. I'm gonna make another video on that later on, probably tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this now, and I'm gonna get ready for work. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for the support on every platform I've been so far, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. I really appreciate the support, and we gonna grind. We gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep grinding in 2024. Hopefully we get bigger and better things. Bigger and better than yo, bro, I can't speak. I hope we reach bigger and better things, y'all. So I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace.